Hi, this is Eduardo, and here the summary complies with the foreign law. U.S. companies must know foreign laws before exporting to other countries. It is important that exporters investigate foreign laws in government agencies, banks, and others, in addition to the information they previously have from the importer. So, some examples of foreign laws are as follows. Industry standards. Before exporting, it is necessary to know if the product requires a change or adapt some characteristics by the laws of the industry. Maybe needs a change of packaging, weight, etc. For example, CE marking process by which the manufacturer or importer informs the users and competent authorities that the marketed equipment complies with the mandatory legislation on essential requirements. Another example is foreign custom laws. It is important to identify all the requirements of custom laws as the maximum quantity of products to import, tariff rate, taxes. If you know, you will know if your export requires more or less investment, right? Many countries have several penalties for import violation. Um, for example, France assesses a penalty of two times the value of the merchandise. India assesses a penalty of five times the of the merchandise, and China confiscates the merchandise. So, government contracting. Selling the government or government organization often requires public competitive bidding and compliance with the invitation to bid and acquisition regulation, right? So another example about it is buy American equivalent, right? Countries tend to give preference to their own products. It is important to determine if such agency laws or regulation exist for your company's products. Exchange controls in and import license. Many nations of the world have a exchange control system designed to limit the amount of their currency that can be used to buy foreign products, right? This nation requiring that an import license from a central bank or the government be obtained in order for customers in the country to pay for imported products. For US imported who wishes to get paid, it is extremely important to determine whether an exchange control system exists and an import license is necessary in the foreign country, right? Another example is value added taxes. Countries generally put taxes at exporting, and that the amount of value added tax can be significant, as it is usually higher than traditional sales taxes, and therefore whether the product can be priced competitively in the foreign market is a matter of analysis, right? Another example is specialized laws. In countries, there are laws that prohibit the importation of some products. The existence of such regulation should be exercised prior to the manufacture, prior to the entering into an agreement to sell, in even prior to quoting price or delivery dates to a customer. Okay, thank you so much. See you next time.